afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your midday market minute. Everyone's waiting for Apple after the bell. Durable goods this morning missed, and they revised November lower. So that was a poor number. It pushed the S&P back a little bit from some better levels overnight. But what really lifted things was a better consumer confidence and a very strong, surprising beat on Richmond Fed manufacturing. That continued to lift the tape. And yes, there was a little bit of a tailwind, recovering off strong support at both the S&P and the NASDAQ we noted here yesterday. And that helped that tailwind through the open, getting through that durable goods number. And now we're seeing a path to least resistance really targeting that 32.93, that Friday settlement. Everyone's looking at this number. We've been cautiously optimistic, and that's what we're targeting too. So knowing that everybody's looking at that, if you're long, you may want to make sure you get out in front of there as well. You got some resistance in the NASDAQ, 91.25, 91.45 areas. So keep an eye on those areas. That's going to be a tough one to get through. The Fed tomorrow, and again, Apple after the bell today. So a lot of volatility in the next 24 hours. And of course, you got headlines. You got headlines driving in from the coronavirus, Bernie Sanders, impeachment. So stay nimble out there and make sure you define your risk if you do get into a trade. Now, crude oil does have a little bit of a ceiling overhead. It's got to get out above Friday's settlement. It's called around 54 bucks. Got to close out above there. 54 and a quarter, really get above there. API after the bell. But until it closes above there, the market's vulnerable for waves of selling. Now, we like value down here long term. Crude oil and gasoline, we noted it yesterday. Heating oil too. There's some interesting ways to play this market. Give us a call. And then lastly, look at the safe havens. Yes, they're taking a hit here today with risk sentiment bouncing back a little bit. The better data outside of durable goods. But gold looks like it's moving below the April contract, about 1575. You don't want to see a settlement below there, so to encourage some selling, potentially in the Asian hours. The 30-year bond too, moving into some support, about a half a point away. Give us a call. We can get specific with some of these levels if you want to reach out to us, 312-278-0500, and we look forward to hearing from you.